Are you looking forward to buy Los Angeles Dodgers tickets? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily buy Los Angeles Dodgers tickets online. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser. In the address bar, search for Ticketmaster.com. You'll land on the official page of Ticketmaster. Now tap on sign in or register and simply log in into your specific account. Once logged in, tons of different tickets will be available to you. Choose the specific location and dates, and in the search bar, you need to search for Los Angeles Dodgers. Different kinds of tickets will be available to you. Choose a specific one and wait for a while. You will land on this page. If you scroll down, different kinds of tickets of different location and dates will be available to you. Select the one that will be suitable for you. All you gotta do is click on Find Tickets. There you go. At the right hand side of the screen, select the number of ticket that you want to purchase, and you will be able to see the price from lowest to highest. Select the arrangement suitable for you. Once selected, tap on Reserve Tickets at the bottom of the screen. Enter your payment method and pay the specific amount. Once paid, your ticket will be booked and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.